What's up, YouTube? This is Brian, aka The Gringo,
This is Rafita, aka El Piolín,
and we're coming back with you with
the Border
the
Wars.
Border Wars. We're back. So sorry again, we had a little bit of a delay. We wanted to come together and do another spicy challenge today. The last one we had was the Reaper cheese balls.
The Cheeto, no. It was
Cheese balls.
the cheese balls.
Brutal.
Nah, a little bit.
That
No.
kicked my butt. That was a rough challenge, and I'm sorry to tell you, but we have, I think, that's something that's even worse. It's called the Crunchy Challenge, and it's from the League of Fire, and it is 9 million Scoville units. So the cheese balls were 2,200,000,
Something like 2 million, 2,000.
and this is 9 million. So
9 million.
kid, take a look at this one here. Basically, it's like a Rice Krispie treat, but spicy, made out of, 1,000 different peppers. And on the back, Johnny Scoville, for those of you that follow him, he's really popular on YouTube. He's recommending that this be a challenge, and I'm scared to death, to be quite honest with you. This is gonna really hurt.
They have picked on me small, personally, so
Yeah.
it's gonna be okay.
Another recap for our followers. We've done 10 challenges, and we kind of went through. Right now, Mexico is winning 4-2. Mexico has won 4 of the challenges. The United States 2 challenges, and then we've tied for 4 challenges.
Okay.
So 4-2. So explain that, please.
Okay, so, entonces, la última vez hicimos un video que da como 2 millones Scovilles, bueno, aquí está muy picante, pero para él estaba muy picante, para mí estaba como 75% picante, y 50, pero ese tiene, how much is Scovilles is that?
9 million.
9 millones de escobillas o Scoville. Y pues, Johnny Scoville dice que está difícil esto. Y pues, Johnny Scoville. Y pues, sí, ¿no? Y México ha ganado 4 y Estados Unidos ha ganado 2. Y hemos empatado 4 veces. 4.
So again, here's our challenge. It's the Crunchy Challenge, and it's from Old Agnes store. This came from our friend Greg. Again, Greg took care of us. Again, thank you so much, Greg.
Gracias a Greg. Muchas gracias. Thank you.
Thank you, Greg. I really appreciate what you're doing to us over here, making us miserable. So,
Otra vez.
this is extremely hot. It has all kinds of peppers in it. Reaper pepper, scorpion pepper, and 20 other super hot peppers. And again, it's just a Rice Krispie treat. So if we take a look at it, I can smell it already. It's.
Oh yeah, it smells like fire. No, I'm joking.
Are you ready, buddy?
No. Okay, it's Rice Krispies.
This is gonna be worse than the Reaper, the cheese balls. I know it. So we have to eat the whole thing, and we can't drink any water.
Comer todo esto y no tomar agüita. Okay. Smells pretty good.
No, it doesn't smell good at all. It does. I'm just procrastinating because I don't want to do this.
Okay, drink flip to me one.
You ready?
No, ella. Suena, está riquito.
Salud.
Salud.
Here goes the day.
Ay, no.
Oh my god, my feet ache immediately.
Está rico.
I don't think I can use this. I don't know if I can use this.
Done. It's fine. Well, you okay, Brian?
Yeah. The taste is so bad. It's so disgusting. it's the heat it's hot, but the taste is so bad.
I like it.
That tastes horrible. I couldn't even swallow it. And yep, that's hot. Wow, that's a major fail on my part. You okay? You all right? That's not good. Wow. You okay? This was a bad idea. Here. This was a really bad idea, guys. All right, Fifi.
It's fine, man.
I didn't even eat it, and it's kicking my butt. This little boy ate it.
Over, it's over. Water.
Okay. Okay, guys, we're gonna go ahead and end this. He won, of course, because I can't even eat it, and we're gonna go recover. So, thank you, YouTube.
Gracias.
We appreciate your time. Love you.
Adiós. Mwah.